Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. In today's video, I'm going to show you the second of my 3 email automation tricks that will help you take your email marketing to the next level. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. Automation trick number 2 has to do with when you're doing a launch and how to get a few more sales from people that maybe are on the fence. What if you could send a special offer to people who've checked out your product, but they haven't purchased? You don't know why they haven't purchased. It could be that it's not the right fit for them, but a lot of times it's because the price is prohibitive. They like it, they were intrigued by it, that's why they clicked over maybe to the sales page, but they didn't pull the trigger for some reason. A lot of times I like to offer these types of people a payment plan because that might make it easier for them to do business with me by deferring some of the payments and making it 3 payments or 4 payments or 5 instead of 1 big payment, let's say. So how do you know who to offer this to? Because you could just offer it to everyone who didn't buy, but I think you're more likely to get sales by offering it to people who didn't buy, but who at least checked out your sales page. Hopefully a light bulb's going off. Let's create another tag to make this email automation trick work. If you're going to email campaigns, let's say, and you are going to do a promotional email for your product. It could even be a whole launch week, multiple emails, but let's just show it to you in one email. Launch email 1, let's say. And we're going to launch a product, or we're promoting our product, and we're going to send it obviously to people who've completed the new subscriber sequence, which we just did. And we're going to send them an email, say, my new course is friggin' awesome. And we say, today I'm opening the doors to my new friggin' awesome course. Check out the details. Hope you are well. Gee. If we turn this little text into the link to our sales page, for example, make it a link. Let's say I'm linking to my course, Automatic Income Academy. And let's say that's the email, okay? Let's save the email real quick. Let's say you've pre-written these emails. You can add a special automation to these emails. And see how the automation box is just below the email. We had one on the whole email sequence. You can do automations on your whole website. You can do automations on the individual email. So we're gonna add an automation. And there's 2 options. You can automate something to happen when they open the broadcast, or when a link in the email is clicked. And you can see where I'm going here. When a link in this broadcast is clicked, and which link? Well, I only have one, and it's grahamcochran.com/AIA. But I might be linking to multiple pages. But generally speaking, a good rule of thumb is just to link to 1 page. But let's say if they click on the link to go to my sales page, then what? Graham, what do you want me to do? I want you to add a tag. And this time we could create a new tag called visited sales page. And you might type the name of your product sales page so it's more specific. So now something is happening in the background. Anytime anybody clicks on this link, and I would do this automation for each of my launch emails or promotional emails. Anytime they click over to my sales page, they're gonna be tagged with this tag, visited a sales page. Now what we can do, we can click save. You do your launch. As you're getting to the end of your launch, or maybe the day after your launch closes, I like to offer payment plan sometimes at the end after it's closed. What we can do is go to email campaigns and we can send out a new email broadcast. And we're gonna offer these people a payment plan. We're gonna do payment plan. And here's who we're gonna send this to. We're gonna send it to custom segment. We're only gonna send it to people who have the tag visited sales page, but then we're also going to add another filter, okay? So that's one tag, but people who bought the course will have got that tag as well. So we need to exclude people who have also purchased because they're good to go. So we're gonna add a filter to this, and this filter is does not own product. And then you choose the product. Let's say my first mini course is the product, okay? So you can see here that now this email is only gonna go to people who don't own the course that I'm selling, but have visited the sales page. So that's people who clicked over to the sales page but didn't buy. See how beautiful this is? And we can send this email whenever we want because it's gonna be always accurate, always up to date. And then we click save and continue and we can send them an offer that's like, hey, was this the reason you didn't join? That could be a subject line. And then you say, maybe it was price. I'm not sure if it was not a good fit for you, no problem. But if price was the reason you didn't buy, I'll have something special for you. Instead of one payment of $299, I'm gonna offer to you for 3 payments of $109 or something like that. And so you send them a special offer. Beautiful email automation trick you can use to add value to the right person who is maybe sitting on the fence. And this way you know who those people are. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.